Hello everybody, this is the Google Pixel 7 and in this video we're going to share the top 5 pro tips and features for this device. So to start off, we wanted to highlight the Fingerprint Unlock method, which basically makes it so that you can unlock your screen or even lock your screen with your own fingerprint. In order to set this feature up, you gotta launch the General Settings app, not the voice memos. So let me just open Settings, then enter the Security category. And in here, tap on the respective Face and Fingerprint Unlock section. Choose what backup unlock method you would like to have. You can go for the pattern, PIN, or password. Your choice. I'll go with pattern myself. Enter or draw the pattern that I will use and then confirm it. Then choose what notification content will be visible and go for the fingerprint unlock and start the enrolling process. So the scanner is located right over here. So in order to, undergo or enroll the process, you gotta simply lay and lift your finger onto the scanner. As you can see, it moves a little, which allows you to correctly scan an entire surface of your fingerprint. So scan every corner of it. So just gradually lay and lift. Make sure to follow the instructions. This little image over here, or animation, which shows you which zone the sensor is currently interested in, or which corner of your fingerprint it wants to scan at the moment. Alrighty, great success. Now we can go ahead and test this feature out. For some reason it's not able to read my fingerprint, which is very odd, so let me retry it once again. Alrighty, so it works relatively fine, I guess. Moving on to the next feature, that is a very small yet important toggle in the display category of settings, so let me just quickly enter it. Here it is. So it is called the smooth display, and once switched on, it automatically raises the refresh rate from 60 to 90 Hz for some content. Basically, this increase in screen refresh rate value identifies smoother and silkier animations and overall better and smoother visual experience with your phone. But at the same time, as it is stated right over here, the higher values of the display refresh rate, they tend to drain a little bit more power. So if you would like to conserve the power you have left, just turn this off. If the battery health, in your case, the battery amount that is left is sufficient, just get some better motion smoothness and visual silkiness of the interface. Alrighty, moving on to the third tip that we wanted to highlight in today's video. In order to access which, you gotta enter the system category of settings, then go for the languages and inputs and open the app languages. And as you could have already guessed, this little option allows you to separately set languages for any apps you have installed, or should I rather say any apps you have installed and those apps support this feature. So let's say I want to change the language for the Google Chrome, set it to be Spanish without having to necessarily change in the language of the whole system, of the whole interface I have. So in here, just open it, choose the particular language, so Espanol. And once I'll open the Google Chrome, it will be in Spanish, as you can see right here. Alrighty, so that will be it for the third tip. Moving on to the first one, which is located at the battery category of settings. Let me open it real quick. It is called the battery share, and once enabled, it allows you to use your Google Pixel as the dock station and charge any other device that support wireless charging, basically. So let me quickly get my personal phone off the phone case real quick, so we'll be able to demonstrate this feature. So in order to use it, just flip the phone, make sure that it is looking like upwards, or not really important, just as long as you connect the back of the device, or the section of the device that supports wireless charging that is actually used for it, and just lay it on top. And as you can see, our smartphone, well, charges wirelessly. Great success. So just like that, you can very easily and conveniently share the battery on your Google Pixel. Next, we have the fifth and final feature for this video. Let me just quickly unlock my phone. That is located in the system category. It is called rules. It's a very cool feature to have. So you just set up some conditions under which a certain action will be performed. So let's just go ahead and add a new rule. Let's say it will be executed once our phone gets connected to the hard reset info 5G Wi-Fi network, and it will set the phone to ring. We'll add this rule real quick. Now my phone is currently connected to this network, so this rule will not work. So I'll just quickly connect to some alternative Wi-Fi real quick, just to show you and demonstrate whether this rule works. So I'll connect to this network, let's say. Great success. And I'll reconnect back to the hard reset info 5G. Already. So for some reason the rule didn't work. We didn't even get the notification for it, which is fairly odd. So let me just double check one thing. So when connected to, I'm not a very smart person, so yeah, it means that it sets the, unmutes all the sound when it tells that it sets the phone to ring. So basically, yeah, it will, if you have a silent mode enabled, it will, unsilence it. Let me just, to make it more visual, I'll just change the action that it needs to perform. And as you can see, once my device is connected to this network, it, right away enabled the do not disturb mode as it is in a condition. So sorry, my bad, I chucked a bit on this one, but that's fine. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. All 5 tips have been reviewed. Thank you so much for watching, thank you so much for your attention, and bye bye.